Hi besties, hi lovers. So this is the behind the scene before the main event, the photo shoot of my beautiful, lovely, elegant bride. So this is when she's done with her makeup and all the photographers, the people with phone taking pictures of her. She's just feeling herself. So at this point, we are waiting for the photographer to come, and boom, the main photo shoot have started. So this is it. They are already set up for the first love livelies here. Yeah, this is their first outfit. So they decided to get pictures before the main event. Normally the stress getting pictures before the main event is something else. So they decide to get the pictures and everything, changing to different outfits. So this is her first outfit, while the previous one was her last outfit. This was her first outfit. So she did 3 outfits. So she wants to get pictures of all her outfits. Yeah, you got pictures. This is my beautiful bride. Wow, she looks so beautiful. Kim of Kim Kardashian. Yeah. So this is her second outfit. So she decided to get pictures. It's actually the best thing to get pictures. This is actually the best thing any bride can actually do, getting pictures. So she decided to do that, and this is them. So besties, so it's always nice getting all your pictures before your main event. So this is the behind the scene of the main event, of the main scene. So this is it. So oh my god, love lives here. I got love. So this is it. They are almost 90% ready for their event. Yes, they are. So this is the last picture she will take for the day before the main event. So boom, this is her. She have already changed her lips, and she's dressed up in her last outfit to go and give her husband to be the drink. So we are waiting. So we decided to take pictures of her, take videos. Nothing changed. If you notice, the only thing that changed was just the lips. And this is the groomsmen. Oh my god, watch the Odogos doing the Odogo thing. Otago, this is it. So now the main event have started. So guys, sit and watch. Thank you.